Alright, just thought I'd share a little update on adding voice acting to Ragnarok Online. Let's see where we are. So we have some Python code that is reading network packets that are being sent between the server and the client. So we're not hooking into memory or anything like that. We're just looking at the network traffic. Because RO is so old, all of that is being transmitted in plain text, so it makes this fairly simple. So right now, the way the logic works is if we talk to an NPC.
Welcome to the Kafra Corporation. The Kafra services are always on your side. How may I assist you?
It will play a voice clip. We read the name of the NPC, and then we evaluate the text that the NPC is saying. We do a lookup in a database to see if we have an matching audio clip for that text and the NPC. And if we do, we play it, which we did in this case. If we don't have a clip, so let's go talk to this guy, for example. What will happen is we'll get a message saying that we don't have a clip, and we are going to attempt to automatically generate a voice clip for it. Now, right now, it's going to do all voices, or all clips using the same voice. I'm working on being able to select different voices for the generation, but for now, that's where we are. So we see now.
Talking about Mistletoe and the death of Balder it didn't occur to me until now just how morbid it all sounds. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so we see here in the log, we talked to this NPC. I'm not going to try and pronounce the name. We saw the dialogue. We were looking for audio. We couldn't find an audio link in the database for this NPC and the voice line. We've never heard this before. So we moved on to trying to generate a voice clip for it. We generate a random file name. We send an API request up to the voice generation service using this voice. So like I said, we currently don't get an option to select the voice. I'm gonna change this so that we get prompted to pick which voice we want to use to make this a little bit easier. So yeah, we generated and saved the audio. We saved the information in the database too. So the next time we talk to the NPC, we are going to get a match, and we're not going to regenerate the audio. So if we talk to this guy now,
talking about Mistletoe and the death of Balder it didn't occur to me until now just how morbid it all sounds. Yeah, I know.
we see here we tried to find audio, and we did find an audio link. So we simply played the audio clip that we already have. So this should make generating new audio a little bit easier, although it's still going to be a pretty big undertaking. It's basically going to come down to interacting with every single NPC over time to build up the audio library. Right now, the audio library is something I store locally on my machine, but and I think for performance reasons, that's probably the best way to go. I tried to store the files in cloud storage and simply download them and then play them, but there was a little bit of a delay of a second or two between clicking on NPC and fetching the file.
Hello?
And playing it, which didn't feel very good. So I opted to just use local storage for the audio. So I think later on what we'll do is figure out a good way to handle downloading that audio. We can store it on cloud storage, and then you download the entire audio library. Then we'll have some method of checking, if your audio library is out of date, if new voice lines are being added, then we will set it up so it will automatically download those as you're launching this little program. But yeah, that's where we are right now. Hopefully we'll get more updates soon. Thanks.